Kettlebell exercise offers numerous benefits, and incorporating it into your daily routine can yield significant improvements in various aspects of fitness and overall well-being. From building lean muscle to boosting cardiovascular fitness, these dynamic workouts offer a full-body challenge that can lead to impressive results. Today, we're diving into the world of kettlebell workouts and exploring what happens when you use kettlebells every day. So, buckle up and let's get started. 1. Improved cardiovascular fitness. Kettlebell workouts are fantastic for boosting your cardiovascular fitness while also building strength. The continuous, rhythmic movements involved in exercises like swings, cleans, and snatches elevate your heart rate, providing an excellent cardio workout. This dual benefit means you're not just lifting weights, you're also getting your heart pumping, which improves endurance and stamina. For example, a kettlebell swing involves a powerful hip thrust that works your glutes and hamstrings, while also engaging your core and shoulders to stabilize the movement. This dynamic exercise keeps your heart rate up, making it a great way to enhance cardiovascular health. 2. Full body workout. Kettlebell exercises are fantastic for engaging multiple muscle groups at once, providing a comprehensive full body workout. Movements like swings, cleans, and snatches are particularly effective because they target your legs, core, back, and arms simultaneously. This not only builds strength, but also enhances endurance and flexibility. The dynamic nature of kettlebell workouts means you're constantly moving, which helps improve coordination and balance. For example, a kettlebell swing involves a powerful hip thrust that works your glutes and hamstrings, while also engaging your core and shoulders to stabilize the movement. This makes kettlebell training a highly efficient and effective choice for anyone looking to get stronger, fitter, and more agile. 3. Increased functional strength and mobility. Kettlebell training is fantastic for boosting functional strength and mobility, which means it helps you move better in everyday life. The exercises mimic real-life movements, engaging multiple joints and muscle groups at once. For example, a kettlebell swing involves your hips, legs, core, and arms, all working together in a fluid motion. This not only builds strength, but also improves coordination and balance. By regularly practicing kettlebell exercises like swings, cleans, and Turkish get-ups, you enhance your ability to lift, carry, and move objects safely and efficiently. This translates into enhanced performance in daily activities and reduced risk of injuries. 4. Enhanced core strength and stability. Kettlebell exercises enhance core strength and stability. Movements like swings, Turkish get-ups, and rotational exercises engage your core as stabilizers. For example, a kettlebell swing requires a straight back and hip thrust, activating your abs and lower back. The Turkish get-up challenges your core as you move from lying to standing while holding a kettlebell overhead. These exercises strengthen your core, back, and hips, improving postural control and overall stability. Incorporating kettlebell workouts can build a strong, stable core to support daily tasks and athletic performance. The dynamic nature of these exercises also makes them effective and enjoyable. 5. Efficient and time-saving workouts. Kettlebell workouts are perfect for those with busy schedules because they are incredibly efficient. In just 10 to 15 minutes, you can achieve a full body workout that combines strength, cardio, and core training. This means you get the benefits of multiple types of exercise in one quick session. For example, a kettlebell swing targets your legs, core, and shoulders while also getting your heart rate up, providing both strength and cardio benefits. Similarly, exercises like goblet squats and Turkish get-ups engage multiple muscle groups and improve functional movement. The dynamic nature of kettlebell exercises ensures that you're constantly moving, which helps burn calories and build endurance. Plus, kettlebells are compact and easy to store, making them a convenient option for home workouts. Remember that proper form, progressive overload, and adequate rest are key components of a successful kettlebell workout routine. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, focusing on these aspects will help you maximize your gains and prevent burnout or injuries. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to grab those kettlebells and start your fitness journey. I encourage you to give kettlebell workouts a try and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Let's support each other on this fitness adventure. Thanks for tuning in, and hit subscribe now, and let's crush those fitness goals together.